whenever we talk of dipole, now how is dipole relevant? Dipole is relevant because it affects the melting point, boiling point, packing, a lot of other things. So, uh, the dipole is what is dipole? The charge separation into the distance between the charge separation. That means the distance between the positive and the negative, this positive into this distance, charge into distance. That's the dipole. So why does this come about? Comes about because electronegativity difference. So we are talking of dipole of a bond, of a bond. In the molecule, there will be many bonds. So in a molecule, there will be many bonds. So if there are many bonds, the bonds will have individual dipoles depending on individual dipoles, depending on what are the two atoms on each side. So the resultant of all this, the resultant will give the resultant of all dipole bond, of all dipoles, of each bond, of each bond gives the molecule dipole. And this resultant, this is also dependent on the shape. Now, how is, and the lone pairs. How? Let us see. So here he says O, O. So O is this direction. The dipole is always from positive to negative. Always from positive to negative. See, plus say they are making arrow is towards the negative. So here this is plus to this direction. This is one vector. This is another vector. It is like two vectors. Parallelogram law. And this is the resultant. So this is the resultant of H2O molecule here. Okay, so this is positive. So positive this side, positive this side, positive this side, and from electron. So this is the resultant is here. The lone pair. This has got a. They are not talking of the lone pair. They should have also talked. Chalo, this is the resultant here. All three are causing a resultant here. Then HCl positive two. So this is one molecule. So here there is no resultant. This is one molecule, one bond. So only this is the this thing. Here BF3. So positive here, positive here. So they are, this molecule has got individual dipoles in each bond, but net is zero. Net dipole is zero because if you add these two, you will get one dipole here. This will cancel out this dipole. Similarly, this side, it is cancelling. Why is this bond? Because of the positive, and this is more electronegative. Dipole is here. Dipole. So this is this sometimes the molecule has individually inside some dipoles, but the resultant is zero depending on the shape. If you add this is like a tetrahedral, okay? Like you visualize this as a tetrahedral. So this will put it down, and this will cancel it. Here, what is happening? All these will take it down, but this H is adding to this. And anyway, HC is different from this, so it's adding, and it's overall. This is overall. So this is polar, and this is it's towards this side. This is positive pole. This is negative. Less difference. And here's like देखो here H is positive, C is negative. With respect to H, C is negative. Hmm. It's more electronegative than hydrogen. But in CCl, Cl is more electronegative. So the arrow is pointing downwards. So you should know this also, which is more, where's the arrow pointing?